This 8-liter JJ CARE ultraviolet sterilizer offers generous space for salon tools and household items while maintaining a compact tabletop footprint. Its ultraviolet light system is designed to neutralize a very high percentage of common microbes in only a few minutes, reducing reliance on liquid disinfectants and harsh chemicals. The stainless steel interior, removable trays, and durable glass door feel solid in daily use and make it easy to load, organize, and clean the chamber. An adjustable timer with a clear light-emitting diode display lets you set different cycles for different items, and the automatic shutoff when the door opens adds an extra layer of safety. The unit runs without heat and without leaving a burnt odor on instruments, which is especially appreciated for delicate beauty tools and plastic accessories. Because it handles everything from salon implements to phones, toys, and metal utensils, it works well as a shared sanitizer for spas, offices, clinics, and busy homes.